Part 3 of breaking down the components of the psychiatric evaluation. We're currently here. Psychiatric review of systems is a detailed checklist of the specific mental health symptoms that we might have missed when we went over the HPI, okay? So now we're just diving deeper into the questions, and they're going to follow the DSM-5 criteria. This section is key to helping us formulate accurate diagnosis. It also helps us distinguish between multiple diagnoses with overlapping presentation and help us detect possible comorbidities. We are systematically asking about depression, SI, self-harm, mania, hypomania, impulsivity, sleep patterns, any anxiety, panic attacks, social anxiety, any phobias, OCD behaviors, psychosis, trauma, cognition, eating and appetite, substance use, and then personality traits. For the specific questions, I'm using the DSM-5 Pocket Guide for reference. Pause to take any notes, and remember you might have already gathered this information in the HPI. Have you been feeling down, sad, or depressed? Is any loss of interest? Have you experienced any feelings of worthlessness or guilt? Mania, have you had any periods where you felt unusually energetic, knew you needed sleep but couldn't sleep? Periods of rapid speech or racing thoughts, feeling invincible on top of the world? Have you noticed any episodes where you're more irritable? Diving into sleep patterns, how would you describe your sleep? How many hours? What time do you wake up? Do you work night shift? Do you have trouble falling asleep, staying asleep? Do they have a CPAP machine for anxiety? How often do you feel anxious? Do you feel like you worry excessively every day? Have you had sudden episodes of intense fear with physical symptoms? So we're looking at panic attacks, any social fears, obsessive compulsive disorders. Do you have rituals, any intrusive thoughts that you want to get rid of, any repetitive behaviors? Psychosis, are you hearing or seeing things that others can't? Have you felt like people were watching you? Have you ever felt like there were specific messages coming to you from the TV or radio? Trauma, do you experience nightmares or flashbacks? Eating, how would you describe your body image? Do you restrict food, binge eat, purge? Any problems with your appetite? Substance use, are you using anything currently to cope or numb or not feel anything? Do you feel like you've been drinking more than usual? Personality, we're diving into relationships and how they view those relationships. And then I will see you guys in part 4.